Required ingredients: 2.2 pounds of ground beef, 3.5 ounces of leeks, approximately a 8-inch piece, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of dill, 2 teaspoons of salt. Begin by preheating your oven to 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This will give it plenty of time to heat up while you prepare the meatballs. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, chopped leek, onion, cumin, dill, and salt. Use your hands to mix everything together thoroughly, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. Cover the bowl with a lid or foil and let the meat mixture rest for at least an hour. This step is important because it allows the flavors to melt together and makes the meatballs more tender. After the mixture has rested, shape it into large meatballs. Try to make them with similar size as possible, so that they will cook evenly. Line a baking dish with parchment paper and arrange the meatballs in it. Don't crowd them too closely together, or they won't cook properly. Bake the meatballs for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are cooked through. You don't want to overcook them, as this will cause them to become dry and tough. Once they are done, remove them from the oven and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This will allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it more tender and flavorful. Some tips and tricks by me. After the mixture has rested, shape it into similar size meatballs. Big or small, by your choice. The amount of salt specified is adjusted to our taste. You may add black pepper or other seasonings according to your preference. Enjoy. If these oven-baked beef meatballs made your taste buds do a happy dance, then spread the joy to your foodie friends. Let's create a network of happy stomachs and satisfied palates. And who knows, maybe they'll return the favor with their own secret recipe. Sharing is caring, after all. Thanks for being a part of the deliciousness. Leave a like, share and subscribe.